Good day, everyone. Hope you're doing well. My name is Hugh, and today we're going to talk about monetizing your YouTube channel. If you like these types of videos, consider subscribing and sharing this video, as it really does help out the channel a lot. So at some point, you're probably going to want to monetize your YouTube channel, and that's awesome. So what does that mean by monetizing? It does mean that you will earn money by ads that are being put on your videos. Sounds good, right? Possibly. I mean, if you're going to make videos, you might as well get paid for it, right? Well, YouTube is a marathon, and it's not a sprint. So it takes time to monetize your channel. Sometimes years. And even if you do, you don't get paid very well for quite a while. It's estimated that every 1,000 views, you get about $2 in ad revenue. That's not very much. That's on average, depending on what ads end up on your channel. Just keep that in mind when you want to monetize your channel. So what are the requirements? Well, you must be 18 years old or over, or have a guardian that's 18 years old or over to receive payment. You must have an AdSense account, which you can make. Obviously, you need to be 18 years old or over to make an account. You must create content that meets the advertiser-friendly content guidelines. So there's going to be some content that may not be suitable for advertisers, maybe political or religious or whatnot. Not saying it can't be monetized, but you might not have very many ads that might go on your channels. And the big one is that you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Not 4,000 minutes, 4,000 hours worth of watch time views. It's a lot. Once you've done that, YouTube will review your channel, and hopefully within a month, you'll be granted into the YouTube Partner Program. That journey of getting to 1,000 subscribers is going to be a bit of a tough one. And getting the view hours can also be very tough. Like I said though, it's a marathon and not a sprint. You'll need to get a lot of content out to get those numbers. Possibly a few hundred videos, depending if your videos are well received, and you do some of the tips that I've mentioned in previous videos. I'll try and put a card up on top there that you can see. But don't lose hope though when you're trying to build an audience. It takes time, and you need quality videos that people will enjoy. If you could put in the time and effort into that, you'll do well. Do I think it's worth it? Well, if you're a person that likes to make videos and you love making videos for others, then yes. If you're just wanting to make quick cash, then probably no. There are other ways to make money through YouTube though, which we will cover in another video. So remember to subscribe so you can get that video when it comes out. I'll share some last minute tips with you though. Watch other people's videos in your niche, or in, like, say, Star Wars, if you have a Star Wars channel, or makeup tutorials. Watch other people in those niches to see what good videos they put out. But always be yourself in your videos. Be genuine in your videos. It's important. People will sub to you because of your content, but also because of your personality. So don't try to be someone else. Next tip. Don't compare yourself to other YouTubers. Every channel is different and every person is different. Channels may be putting out content every single day. They might be doing trending videos, so the news or things that are happening on a daily basis. You might be only doing factual ones once a week. You can't compare yourself to others, all right? Just do the best on your channel by learning new skills like speaking in front of a camera, video editing, creating thumbnails, and other things like that that will help out your channel. Next tip, smile and enjoy the process. You got this, all right? You do. So that's a little bit of the thing around monetizing your channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them down in the comment section. and give this video a like if you think it deserves it. Alright? Take care and having a great day.